Dashboard here. In this video, it's like people forgot how to drive. I had one driver that was lost. I had 2 or 3 drivers that changed lanes without signals. I had a couple of drivers cutting people off. And then towards the end, I had one guy. He really wasn't even sure what lane he wanted to be in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way. Open up and see what the hell's in it.
Yeah.
It might have something in it.
If you're still wondering why you should buy from Arlington Toyota, maybe this will help. How about peace of
Lost.
mind? When you buy any new
Yeah.
Toyota from Arlington, their lifetime warranty comes with you. That's unlimited time and miles. Plus, there's Arlington's 30-day exchange program. That's 30 days.
A few moments later.
That was an away game jersey.
Oh, alright. Oh, that signal. There's another one up front. Not sure if he was between. I guess he was between the car and the motorcycle.
Yeah, he cut between the car and the motorcycle.
Well, there ain't much in this lane if you want to get over. Everybody seems to want to stay in that lane.
A few moments later.
Wait till the last damn minute to put the signal on.
Yeah.
Jamming all over them brakes.
Lovely. Still no blinker.
Damn.
Huh?
That's 2.
Yeah.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.